Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix my eyes only on Snapchat. First thing, open the settings on your phone, and after that what you want to do is go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Snapchat, click on force stop, and then go to storage, click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go back, click on data usage, make sure to enable all those options here, go back. Now go to the settings, go to the wireless add networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.